Pakistan faces a range of economic challenges that have hindered its growth and development. Some of the key challenges are: high inflation. Pakistan has experienced high inflation rates in recent years, which has made it difficult for low and middle-income families to afford basic necessities. The inflation is partly caused by the high prices of imported goods and energy, as well as other economic factors such as a large fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit. Pakistan has a large fiscal deficit, meaning that the government is spending more money than it is collecting in revenue. This has led to a high level of public debt and limited resources for public services such as education, health, and infrastructure. Energy crisis. Pakistan faces a severe energy crisis, with frequent power cuts and a lack of investment in the energy sector. This has had a negative impact on economic growth and investment. Unemployment. Pakistan has a high rate of unemployment, particularly among young people. This is partly due to a lack of investment in job creation, as well as a mismatch between the skills of the workforce and the needs of the economy. Corruption. Corruption is a major challenge in Pakistan, and it has a negative impact on economic growth and development. It discourages foreign investment and reduces public trust in government institutions. Poor infrastructure. Pakistan's infrastructure is outdated and inadequate, particularly in rural areas. This limits economic growth and makes it difficult for businesses to operate efficiently. Low tax revenue. Pakistan's tax revenue is low compared to other countries, which limits the government's ability to invest in public services and infrastructure. Overall, these economic challenges are interrelated and require a comprehensive approach to address them. The government needs to focus on promoting economic growth, creating jobs, and improving public services and infrastructure, while also addressing issues such as corruption and the fiscal deficit.